Okay, there we have it. Nice TV stand. Cat approved. Let's see what comes in it. Okay. We have the instruction book. We have 5 legs. All these tools. All these different parts. And the door cabinets. Ooh, nice. All of the tools, all the little pieces that you need, the hardware comes by letter, and the boards are by number. Yeah. G goes there, and then 2 more G's for that corner over there. You put H's here, how high you want it to be, the next little shelf. Right here we have H's. You see these little things, and all you do is you've got number 8, and you slide it on here on top of those. Okay, so this is before the doors go on. Okay, we have the door. We went ahead. We have the little click that we had put before, and then we did this one on this side. Then we close it, and perfect. Okay, let's do this one. Here we go. We have a nice TV stand. Our TV is 43 inches.